Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and let's jump into today's projects. To recreate our ghost, we're gonna take a piece of cardboard like that one that you see there that has the shape of a ghost and some chalk paint in white. And I'm gonna paint it completely using that white chalk paint. Just like that, we're gonna cover everything. Let me show you a little bit better. We're gonna cover everything and paint everything so it looks like the one that's made from wood from Dollar Tree. Yeah, we're trying to recreate that piece because I don't have a Dollar Tree over here, so I have to improvise. And we're gonna paint it completely just like that and let it dry really nicely so we can come back and work with our beautiful ghost. Now, while it's drying, I'm gonna cut 3 triangles out of this sturdy burlap. And as you can see, I'm just cutting them from one piece like that. And now I have my 3 triangles. And I'm gonna take some ink, chalk paint, and I'm gonna paint or write the word boo. Just like that. Nothing too complicated. Just like that. Now we'll let it dry and then we're gonna come back with some twine. I'm gonna cut a piece of that twine and glue my banner to the twine. Just like that, so cute. Then we're gonna take our ghost and we're gonna start making some lines with our ruler, just like that. You can use a pencil. I'm using a pen, but you won't see that line, so it doesn't matter what you use. We're gonna make some lines because we want to make it look like shiplap. Yeah, he's or she is a shiplap ghost. Now I'm using my elephant paint that I can't open apparently. And we're gonna start painting those lines using our elephant paint. And you don't have to make a perfect line. We just want it to look like that, like it's old age and a little bit damaged, now distressed. And we're gonna continue painting like that until we paint all of our lines. Then we're gonna let them dry just a little bit. We're not gonna let it dry completely. And after it's a little bit dry, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a brush, an old paint brush. You don't need something new, you just need a paint brush that will make good dry brush effect. And I forgot my paper towel, so I decided to paint my hands. Don't do that, just get a paper towel and dry brushing would be a lot easier. And we're gonna continue painting just like that over our lines, and then we're gonna come back to the sides of our ghost. And as you can see, I have really dark painted elephant gray hands. And chalk paint is really hard to get off your hands. Now I'm gonna take my ink chalk paint and I'm gonna paint 2 cute eyes. And those are 2 simple circles. You don't have to do something really nice. You just need 2 circles on her head like those. And then I'm gonna move on to the other one like that. And then we flip it over and finish that circle. After that, I want to paint a cute mouth. And she's smiling because she's having fun with our DIYs. So I'm gonna make a smiling face for my cute ghost because she loves to be here. After we finish with that and we make it cute like so, we are gonna move on to our banner. Now we're gonna grab that banner. We're gonna flip our ghost like that so we can see where we want it. And as you can see, that cardboard was from a fan. So I'm gonna glue both sides of that twine And I'll add a little bit of hot glue there. And now I'm gonna work on my bow. For that, I'm using this cute pumpkin ribbon. And I'm gonna cut a little piece, add lots of hot glue. You know me, I love my bows with hot glue. Then I'm gonna tie a little bit of twine so I can gather it together, fluff it up, cut the excess twine, and glue it to the top of my piece, and that will be it. Look at that, cute, so cute. This is part of the Inspired Fall or Halloween DIY Challenge hosted by Elena from Elena Jenkins DIY and also by Faith Chick 777, and her name is Linda. You're gonna find in the description box down below the links to their channels and also for the playlist for this month challenge. For our second DIY, we're gonna use a jar or a candle holder, some burlap ribbon, and some black paint. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap that burlap ribbon. I'm reusing some ribbon I had at home, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue that to my candle holder like that, and then I'm gonna start wrapping it around like that, and then I'm gonna cut and hot glue that end also. Lots of hot gluing here. And we add a little bit of hot glue over there and we glue it together like that. Just be careful, we don't want to burn those fingers. And then after it's dry, we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna take our ink, black paint, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint or freehand a face, and we're making a jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern. And we're gonna paint that cute face to our beautiful candle holder like that. And after we finish with that, that will be it. We add a tea light, battery operated, and we will have a beautiful jack-o'-lantern, neutral, kind of cute decor. Look at that, it's looking so cute. If you like modern farmhouse boho decor and a couple of silly jokes and lots of seasonal decor, subscribe because that's what I do here, and here's my social media, go and check me out. And for our last DIY, we're gonna use those pumpkins, those are from Walmart, and some stems I made using air dry clay. That one broke, but I'm using another one. Some black paint, white paint, and gold for the stems. Let me paint it. Now, I just paint them, and this is how they're looking. I painted 2 of them black and 1 in the white one, and I'm loving that style because it dripped and it's looking beautiful. And this is super simple because what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue those stems that we made out of air dry clay to our pumpkins, and that's it. Look at that, so cute. Let me repeat that. We add a little bit of hot glue, we glue the stem, and we have the cutest pumpkins ever. So cute. They are creepy, kind of cute decor. Now let me show you everything together. And this is how they turned out. As you can see, we have the cutest cutesy ghost ever with her bow with pumpkins and her boo banner. She's so cute. And over here we have the pumpkins. Those are the cutest pumpkins ever. And would you have noticed that they came from a pack, $2.98 pack from Walmart. And over here we have the jack-o'-lantern candle holder, and he is cute as well. Guess what? And this is how they look together. Remember that in the description box down below, I'm gonna leave you the links for the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank them for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how everything turned out. And remember that if you like modern farmhouse, boho decor, and lots of silly jokes, subscribe because that's what I do here. And if you like this one, give it a thumbs up. Take care. Bye-bye.